Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on frustration. If you're here, it's probably because frustration is weighing on you, whether it's from feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or just dealing with things that didn't go as planned. Frustration can feel like a heavy knot in your chest or constant tension in your mind. It's easy to let it spiral, leaving you irritable or drained. But right now, let's pause together and create some space for calm. This meditation isn't about forcing frustration to disappear. It's about learning to soften its hold. If possible, find yourself in a comfortable seated posture, spine erect, head facing forward, chin parallel to the ground, eyes closed, mouth closed, breathing through the nose. Let's bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils and simply observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we inhale and we exhale. We exhale and we inhale. Frustration is a common emotion. It can be a very strong emotion that can lead to other feelings of negativity, both internally towards ourselves and externally towards others or other things, whether inanimate objects or occurrences that happen in our daily lives. Let's bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. I experience frustration on a regular basis. I can say the practice of meditation has decreased the ability for frustration to affect my days as much as they used to. Let's bring our awareness deeper into the body, and let's bring our awareness to the feet. And we'll relax the feet. We'll relax the lower legs. Relax the upper legs. Relax the pelvis and the hips. I've observed over the years of meditation that certain parts of the body can harbor or offer a space for frustration and other not so friendly emotions to hang out and build up. I've noticed that the hips, for myself personally, is one of those areas. So we'll again relax the hips and the pelvic area. We'll relax the stomach and the abdomen. Frustration can weigh heavy on the chest and the heart center region. So here we'll bring our awareness to the chest and the heart center, and we'll relax the chest and the heart center. We'll relax the shoulders. The shoulders also can be a space where tension can reside. We'll relax the upper arms. Relax the lower arms. Relax the hands. Frustration, even though normal, has a great ability to cause us to lose focus on what our short-term goals are, whether it is to accomplish a daily to-do list or if there are larger goals in our lives that we would like to accomplish. Frustration can be quite an obstacle. Let's relax the upper arms. Again, we'll relax the shoulders. We'll relax the neck. In between the shoulders and the neck, quite a lot of tension can build and remain. So relaxing this area is very helpful for being able to let go of this strong emotion. We'll relax the jaw and the corners of the mouth. We'll relax the forehead. Relax completely. When I feel frustration building up in my mind and building up in my body, being physically active at times can be helpful. Sitting for meditation consistently over the years has proven to be very helpful. Sometimes physical activity, releasing frustration in that way can be helpful, but also can increase tension in the body at times. Also afterwards, you may be wound up physically and mentally in a way that you are still holding on to this frustration. So I've found that coupling the meditation with the physical practice, first practicing the physical aspects and then the meditation process following, has been greatly beneficial. Let's take our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. And let's observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we inhale and we exhale. Exhale and we inhale. And let's take the nostrils and we'll follow the flow of air as it passes the nostrils as we inhale, goes up the nostrils and then follows the airway down the esophagus and into the lungs. Feeling the lower lobes of the lungs, allowing the abdomen to expand, the navel region to expand, and as we exhale, forcing the air out of the lungs, contracting the abdomen, up the esophagus and out through the nostrils. And let's hold our awareness here at the nostrils, allowing the frustration to release. Namaste.